on my side garden area, and I am going to put down some of this black mulch in my garden so I can keep the weeds out and also continue to keep my plants growing. They are doing so well, really well. So we're going to just try to keep them. So I'm going to put some of this black mulch over here to get them all nice and pretty. And then I will come back and I will show you exactly what I have finished over here, okay? Alright, so I'll see you in a little bit. Guys, I have finished it. I have mulched it. This is my big giant zucchini plant, and I have, let me see if I can show you the zucchini. Do you see the zucchini down there? I've got a couple of zucchini there that have been pollinated. I've got more flowers right there. Then I have a tomato back there that has tomatoes on it, which I'm excited about. And then I have my honeydew melons I have planted over here. I got 2. And then I got my squash plant, which is beautiful. I just love how the squash plant looks so beautiful and vibrant. And then I have a butternut squash here that looks like it's about to put on a flower. And I think there's a flower in here. Let me see. Yep, there's a flower right there. So fingers crossed. And I have tomatoes on this one. And let me show you the other side of my other planting bed over here. I've got another butternut squash right here. I have my watermelon plant that is doing so good. And then I have my tomatoes. I have one there. And I have one over here that is loaded with tomatoes. And then, but it is all nice and mulched. Hopefully it will help me keep the weeds down. And as you can see over here, I had a predator that came and took a hunk out of one of my zucchini. So I'm one zucchini down, but this is my big wheelbarrow that my husband brought me. Isn't it cool? It's one of those big giant ones by Rubbermaid with the big huge wheels on it. And I love it. Look how big that joke is. I can get a lot of work done. Alright, you guys, I'm about to head to my next section that I need to mulch. And once I get all the other sections mulched, then I will come back and give you a final look of all my hard work that I did today. But check this zucchini plant out. Isn't it gorgeous? Love, love, love this zucchini plant and my other vegetables. Alright guys, I will talk to you later. Guys, this section is all completed. It's been mulched. It looks beautiful. So one side is done. Now I've got one more side to go. Alright guys, I will talk to you guys in the next video. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I hope you're having a blessed day. And stay cool, stay hydrated, and don't forget to put your hat on your head. Alright guys, love you much. Bye.